Hi, welcome to the Unit R, Day 2, Algebraic Key Terms, an example for part of your notes. Jumping in, we're talking about filling in this table here. The algebraic key terms, there's a few fill in the blanks. Let's figure what these are. An expression involving variables is called an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. A blank of an algebraic expression are the parts that are added together. So these are the terms. And it should be the terms of an algebraic expression are the parts added together. A coefficient is the number in front of the variables for each term. Coefficient. And then if two terms are like terms, they have the same variables and the same exponents on the variable. And then the last part, constant terms, are the terms with no variables and just a number. Example 4, simplify the following expressions, and so it just gives us 5x minus 3y minus 2x plus 3y. In this case, you can only combine like terms, terms that have both the same variable within, or variables, if there's multiple of them. So for example, 5x and negative 2x can combine. So 5x minus 2x is 3x. Then negative 3y plus 3y, those terms cancel, they become 0, so we just leave it as 3x. The next one, so notice that there is a parentheses here, so we have to resolve that first. So when I distribute this negative sign, it goes to both terms on the parentheses. This is a commonly missed thing. Many students will subtract the first term, but not the second. So it's like 8xy minus 7y minus 3, and then minus a negative, so plus 6y. And then if I simplify this out, I'm left with 8xy, and then negative 7y plus 6y gives me minus y, and then minus 3. The next problem, number 20, we have two sets of parentheses and a value in front, so we must distribute these to both terms inside the parentheses. Usually draw arrows to show that I'm distributing. 1/5 of 10a, so if I think about that, I am taking 1/5 of 10, or 10 times 1, and then divided by 5. That gives me 2a minus 4/5 plus, and then here I have 1/2 times 8, so that gives me 4, plus, and then 1/2 of 4a is 2a. So if I combine these together, I will get, so 2a plus 2a is 4a. And now here I need to combine that negative 4/5 and then plus 4. So negative 4/5 means that I'm taking away 4/5 from 4. One way that you can do this is get a common denominator. Right now, this is 1. So if I multiply both of these, the numerator and the denominator, by 5, I don't change the value. And that would be 20/5. So negative 4/5 plus 20/5 gives me 16/5. Now for this next one, I'm doing a lot of distributing and then combining like this. So this will give me 2x times 4 is 8x minus 4x squared plus 2xy minus 5xy squared minus 5x squared plus 5xy. Now I can combine like terms. I'm just going to go through and check, starting with my x squareds first. So that's going to give me negative 9x squared. Whenever I use a value, I'll either underline it, or sometimes I'll put a single slash mark through it so I know that I've accounted for that. Next I have, looks like I have minus xy squared. So I'm going to do minus 5xy squared. And then I have a 2xy and a 5xy, so if I combine those together, that gives me 7xy. And then I have the singular 8x. Next, I'm distributing 3 times x, and 3 times 4, and also negative 6, don't forget the negative distributing, we talked about that earlier, and then with 2x as well. So that gives me 3x plus 12, and then opposite, so minus 6, then opposite of that, minus 2x. Combining these together, I get x, 3x minus 2x is x, 12 minus 6 is positive 6, so I get x plus 6. Oh, I apologize, I didn't box this one here. And then for this last one here, looks like I'm just combining like terms. I have 3x squared plus 5x squared, so that will give me 8x squared. And then negative 5x minus 3x is a negative 8x. This wraps up this particular set of notes. If you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor. Have a fantastic day.